Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun for November. Do you want to see what's inside November's box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received my variety fun for November. Yes, you're getting an exclusive sneak peek of November's box. So there's still time and you can order and get this baby. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna show you what's in here, and then if you would like to know about them, I will let you guys know what all the details are because this is an amazing snack company. I love this box. So let's dive in here and see which snacks we'll be snacking on in November. I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, you guys, we got November's box. Hi, happy snacking, a variety fun partner. That's what I am. They put me on their partnership program, which I'm so thankful for. So thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending me this amazing snack box to show my viewers and to enjoy. Because, oh my gosh, I see bugles. Oh, what? Yes, thank you. I love me some bugles. Yes, I do. So we have bugles, you guys. Let me set this down because I'll be holding it the whole time if I do that. Bugles, yes, bugles. We have Wise Honey Barbecue Flavored Potato Chips. Ooh, these are so good. I got these on the plane one time and I've been hooked. Ooh, this is Zesty Ranch. I haven't tried that. I always just get the regular veggie straws. Zesty Ranch veggie straws. I can't wait to try those. Cheese Doodles Baking Puffs Cheddar. Those sound amazing. Hey, we have some buttered popcorn. These are good. Andy's Crepes Hot Fries. And you guys told me the first time I got these, I was like, I've never had these. You're like, they're amazing. And they are. So thank you guys for letting me know. And here's some hot fries. We have some Cheez-Its Original, Cheez-Its White Cheddar, and Cheez-Its are one of my favorite crackers, so I love that. Bada Bean, Bada Boom, what? Garlic Onion Crunchy Broad Beans, 100 calorie. These are good, the 100 calorie snacks. This is gonna be good for my new little trying to be healthy eating. I don't know about this box, but you know. Bada Bean, Bada Boom. So this one is garlic and onion. Have you guys heard of these? I haven't. Sweet Sriracha. Here's Mesquite Barbecue. Ooh, here's wasabi. Spicy wasabi. If wasabi's not spicy enough, you have spicy wasabi. Sea salt. Whoa, there's all those different flavors. I like that something that I've never seen or heard of, and they're all 100 calorie snack packs, and they sent all flavors, so you get to try them out. That's awesome. Now we have, these are really good, the Remy's Graham Cinnamon. Here's the Abby's Chocolate Chip Cookies. Those are really good. And I got the Peanut Butter Grandma's Cookies. Yes! Peanut butter is my favorite. Last time I didn't get the peanut butter, but the time before I did. So yay. And then here's chocolate brownie, oatmeal raisin. Oop, here's some more Abby cookies. These are the shortbread. These are really good as well. We have Keebler Elfin Snack Crackers Original. Oop, and there's a lot in there. We have Goldfish. Here's another one. These are 100 calorie packs, snack packs. These are the mini. We got two. We got two of those. I love pretzels as well. Keebler Fudge Strips. Those are really good. Scooby Doo, where are you? We got some graham crackers to try. Here's Cheez-Its, the Junior Scrabble. Here's Fudge Strip Minis by Keebler Elf. we have the Remy's graham crackers in chocolate and in honey. We have peanuts. We have fruit snacks. We have chocolate chip. Oreos. Chocolate chip and chocolate chip of the chewy, Quaker Oat chewy. Ooh. I didn't know grandmas had these type of cookies now, or had them. I've only got the other ones. These are vanilla. And we have some cheddar cheese, original, and sour cream Pringles, you guys. That is everything that came in this snack box. Oh my gosh, snacks on snacks on snacks. Yes, please, thank you. Give me some more. When you're riding around with your snacks, give me some more. When you come home from school, give me some more. When you need a little pick-me-up, give me some more. My goodness. And I don't know, and I say this every time, I don't know how they get it all in this box. They must have magic workers because I can never get it in this box. But what I do, because I'm nice, I take this box to work. I cut the top off the lid, the little flapping lid, and I set everything out in the break room, and I let it's a small office, so I still get to enjoy most of it. And I let the employees pick from here, and he's always so excited when he does see this box. He saw it on my desk today too. He's like, another one! I'm like, you need to wait. Hold your horses. He goes, stop teasing me. I'm like, get out of my office then. But I love this box because it is all snacks that we all know and we love. So it's not like you're gonna get something where you're like, oh no, what is this? Where did this come from? That kind of thing. So I really, really love this subscription, you guys. And they do have two different ones. They have this regular snack box, which has 40 classic snacks, again, that we all know and love. It's $24.99 a box, and it's free delivery. You're gonna enjoy a monthly rotating variety of classic treats, including Lay's, Cheez-Its, M&M's, cookies, Sour Patch, and more, which breaks it down to about 62 cents per snack. Or they have the Fit Box. The Fit Box will be 30 healthy snacks. It's $39.99 a box. You get to enjoy a monthly rotating variety of premium healthy options, including Kettle Chips, Think Jerky, Skinny Pop, Laura Bars, RX Bars, and more, which breaks that down to $1.33 per of the healthy snack options. They changed my code, you guys. They're giving you a better discount. Now you can use my code SheCrafty30, and that's gonna get you 30% off your first box. So you can try this for $24.99 a month. You can use my code to save 30% off of that. And they have a variety of over 500 different snacks. They also donate thousands of snacks every single month to families in need. And this is a subscription service that delivers assortment of delicious snacks to your home or office. Every month, our team curates a snack box with a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candies, crackers, popcorn, pretzels, and nuts from all your favorite brands. With classic and healthy options, there's something for everyone. And especially if you do have small kids that are in school, this is amazing for their lunches, or when they get home from school, they can grab a snack, and you get tons of snacks. Now, what I also do like, you can get this one monthly, or you can even do bi-monthly. So let's say you have a lot of kids, you have a daycare, you babysit, you have kids over all the time because your kids have friends that come over. You can do it twice a month if you would like, or you can do it just once a month. You can get it delivered to your office, and you can have it in the break room like I do, and have a snack for your employees to have. It's just an amazing snack box, you guys, because it has everything that I love in it. Not stuff that I'm like, I'm afraid. Nope. it's everything that's good. So if you want to sign up, you can still get November's box. You have until the end of this month, then you can still get November's box. And I'm so thankful that they now have put me on a monthly status so I can show you guys this box every month, and this always brings a smile to my face. There's so many wonderful snacks in here. I don't know where else to begin. I mean, everything in here is amazing, and I'm so looking forward to trying out these new Bada Bean, Bada Booms. If you guys have ever tried this brand, I guess they're like some kind of a bean. That is just really, really neat. I've never seen anything, and I love the fact that it's 100 calories in each one because that's awesome. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, have you seen this box? Do you get this box? Would you like to get this box? This is just an amazing snack box. Like I said, even if you pack like your husband or your wife's lunch, you can put in a snack. If you have even adult kids, everybody loves some snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. So that is everything that I have for you. This is everything that's going to be in the November box, well, at least for me anyway. I don't know if it's a completely different variation or if every month it's the same, because they have so many different snacks that, and again, I don't know how in the world their little magic fingers get this in this box and to close and have nothing like broken and cracked, or yeah, it's in perfect condition when it's arrived, even through the delivery service. So thank you again, Variety Fun, for sending me this amazing snack box and putting me on your partnership program. I greatly appreciate it. I love showing you guys this box because there's so many, and those bugles, I'm gonna hide those because no one's gonna take my bugles. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Snacks on snacks on snacks.